Hello to all. My name is Samiksha Godolkar. I am an assistant professor in SND College of Engineering, Yeola. I was taught the subject of basic electronics. Today, the topic is for video lecture is microprocessor. Firstly, we see the introduction of microprocessor. Firstly, we see what is microprocessor. The introduction of microprocessor is here this. The microprocessor, also known as a central processing unit, it is a brain of all computers and many household and electronic devices. Multiple processors working together are the hearts of a data centers, supercomputers, communication products and other digital devices. In microprocessor, firstly we see the history of microprocessor. The Intel Core, founded in 1957, they invented the first ICs in 1959. In 1968, Robert Noyce Gordon Moore crew resigned from Fairchild Semiconductors. They found their own company, Intel Integrated Electronics. The first microprocessor invented was a 4-bit. After that, the microprocessor are invented by using another, that is 8-bit, 16-bit, 32-bit and 64-bit are founded. Today we use a 64-bit IC. 4-bit microprocessor, the Intel is 4004, Intel is 4040. In 8-bit microprocessor, the Intel is 8008. In 8-bit microprocessor, the Intel is 8080. In 8-bit microprocessor, the another Intel is 8085. Mostly the 8085 microprocessor is used. In 16-bit microprocessor, the Intel is 8086, Intel is 8088, 808186 and 80188. The Intel 80286 32-bit microprocessor having Intel 80386, 80486, Intel Pentium Pro, Intel Pentium 2, Intel Pentium 3, Intel Pentium 4 and Intel Dual Core. 64-bit microprocessor having Intel Core is 2, Intel Core is i7, Intel Core i5, Intel Core i3. In microprocessor, the main part is arithmetic and logic unit, that is also called as a ALU. In microprocessor, the register arrays are used. In controls, it is also used as a control unit. Microprocessor also denoted by using MPU. The main processor is a CPU. There are different two instructions, read instruction and process binary data. In memory, the address is 00, binary address is 0000 up to 0001, 001, 00011, 0100, 0101, 0110, 0111, 100, 100, 110, 101, 1100, 1101, 1110, 1111. For 0000, the register is 0. In memory, the register 0 having a binary address is 0000. For register 1, the binary address is 0001. For register address is 0010. For register 3, binary address is 0011. For register 4, binary address is 0100. For register 5, binary address is 0101. For register 6, binary address is 0110. For register 7, binary address is 0111. For register 8, binary address is 1000. For register 9, binary address is 1001. For register 10, binary address is 1010. For register 11, binary address is 1011. For register 12, binary address is 101100. For register 13, binary address is 1101. For register 14, binary address is 1110. For register 15, binary address is 1111. Storage devices, address and registers A0, A1, A2, A3 are the bit address. Major categories are read write. Major categories are read write memory, read write read only memory, that is ROM, read write memory, that is denoted by RW. The input devices are switches and keypads, provide binary information to the MPU. Output devices are LED and LCDs, receive binary information from the MPU microprocessor unit. After that we see the microprocessor architecture. In microprocessor architecture, the MPU communicates with memory and IO using the system bus. That there are three bus: address bus, data bus and control lines. Address bus unidirectional, memory and IO addresses. Data bus are bidirectional, transfers binary data and instructions. Control lines are read and write timing signals. The basic concept of microprocessor is that this is the as shown in figure. CPU, central processing unit, contains CCU, means control bus, ALU, arithmetic and logic unit, data registers and pointer registers. Address bus 32-bit oblique 64-bit data wide address bus. Control bus having timing signals, ready signals, interrupts. Data bus bidirectional 8-bit, 16-bit, 32-bit and 128-bit. Microprocessor by itself completely useless, must have external peripherals to the interact with outside world. This is the microprocessor. Now we see the introduction. This is only the introduction of microprocessor. Now we see the introduction of microcontroller. Microcontroller, a self-contained system in which a processor, support, memory and input-output are all contained in a single package. A small computer system on a single IC. History of microcontroller. मला बाहेर जायचं. History of microcontroller. First used in 1975, Intel 8048. The introduction of EEPROM in 1993 allowed microcontroller to be electrically erased. The same year, Atmel introduced the first microcontroller using flash memory. Microcontroller is as shown in figure. Interrupt control, RAM, ROM, timers, oblique counters, CPU, central processing unit, ADC, DAC, analog to digital converter, also digital to analog converter, IO ports, input output ports, serial port. Types of microcontroller are microcontroller having two types: bits, memory oblique devices. In bits, the bits are 4, 8, 16, 32. Microcontroller memory devices having embedded external instruction set, CISC, RISC. Memory architecture: Princeton, Harvard family microcontroller, 8051 microcontroller, Motorola, PIC, Texas National, ARM microcontroller. Others in 8051 microcontroller: Intel microcontroller having Intel, Atmel, Dell, Philips, Siemens. These are the types of microcontroller. Basic features of microcontroller: processor reset, device clocking, central processor, program and variable memory, RAM, IO pins, instruction cycle timers. More sophisticated features of microcontroller are built-in monitor, oblique debugger, program, interrupt capability, analog IO, PWM and variable DC IO, serial input-output, synchronous or asynchronous, parallel input-output, including direct interface to a master processor, external memory interface. These are the some of the features of microcontroller. In basic microcontroller architecture, this is the architecture of microcontroller: timer, RAM, CPU, analog to digital converter, IO port A, watchdog, serial port, ROM, IO port B, IO port C. IO means input output port, input output port A, input output port B, input output port C. These are the different input output ports in microcontroller. In basic microcontroller architecture consists of memory, which is in RAM or ROM, storage, data and code, CPU, mathematical and logical operation. Memory units are called a register. In basics of microcontroller, bus group of 8, 16 or more wires, three types: address bus, data bus and control bus. Input output unit, port A, port B, port C. Input output and bidirectional ports. Serial communication, timer unit, watchdog timer are the serial communication. Automatic reset to prevent stall, analog to digital converter, ADC. Processor architecture having CISC or RISC. CISC means complex instruction set computer. RISC means reduced instruction set computer. In CISC, large amount of instructions, each carrying out a different permutation of the same operation. Functionality of the instruction is more dependent upon the processor designer. RISC, reduced instruction set computer, fundamental set of instructions, more control for users to design their own operations. Figure shows the von Neumann architecture consists of a CPU having a data, and data are the bidirectional, and address bus. In data, program memory, it consists of a program memory. In address bus are the unidirectional. Program memory and data memory both are connected to the CPU through the address bus and data bus. Thank you.